Paper still dominates in most organizations, from healthcare and legal, to government and education, to finance and manufacturing. The new Xerox DocuMate 6710 production scanner drives digital transformation, providing end-to-end performance. With up to 90 customizable on-screen workflow presets, Visioneer OneTouch software delivers the scanned data to the final destination with a single touch of a button. 200 image per minute hardware and super speed USB 3.0 is only half of the story. Visioneer onboard Acuity hardware image processing and Acuity with PC optimization ensure end-to-end performance. Breakthrough parallel scanning allows up to 10 DocuMate 6710s to be connected to one computer scanning simultaneously, all running different jobs. Visioneer TWAIN and WIA Driver Plus brings deep, flexible settings for integration, and ABBY Fine Reader Sprint OCR and ISIS support are also included. Add a 35,000 page per day duty cycle, self-cleaning paper path, and OneTouch developer tools to the Xerox DocuMate 6710's expandable parallel scanning. You'll add new productivity and value to your digital workplace. Xerox DocuMate 6710 production scanner, driving digital transformation. For more, visit xeroxscanners.com/DM6710.